So, a couple things going on right now. Taking my dog to this guy named Wesley. He's a dog sitter. How many dogs does he take?
He only has Kobe this week.
Oh, for real? All right, so yeah, we're taking Kobe to him because we're going to the Niobrara River, which is 5 hours away. Yeah, it's just a big old river, and it takes 5 hours for us to get all the way through it. Yeah, float down it. So we're floating down it. There's a couple.
A little waterfall.
There's a waterfall. There's
a little rapids area.
So yeah, I have a couple things that I'm bringing with me. I got this camera. I got my GoPro. Actually, I'm gonna talk about the GoPro later. Oh, so we're going to the Niobrara, and then we're going to Ogallala. But yeah, should be fun.
Super excited.
Kobe has no idea what's going on right now. About to jump out the dang window. So apparently my family, I'd been out of town. My family hasn't left the house since the Colorado road trip. Hey, I remember, I vlogged that. Go watch that. But that's crazy.
I know, that's why Dad and I are just like so excited to get out of town. It doesn't even bother me that it's a 5-hour drive. Like, I'm looking forward to a 5-hour drive.
For real?
Listening to some good music. Like, I just want to chill with you guys so much. I'm so excited.
I'm excited. Kobe, Mom would kill you right now. Get off the seat. Shh. Kobe, honk the car. Honk the car. Honk. Okay, no! Ah! That dog looks like a chicken tender. There she is. She back. Oh! Whoa! Oh, booty can. Oh, she got you some toys. What she got you? Oh,
go
chill.
Crazy.
Oh,
go stupid. Go crazy.
Oh, there goes Kobe. It's not just hitting me. Like, it's an amazing job. Freaking just taking care. Actually, no. Yeah, I don't think that'd be a good job. But hey, if you like dogs that much, just have to babysit dogs and then you're good. There goes Kobe. Hopefully Kobe won't kill any other dogs. Alright, so here's what I'm bringing. Got my ukulele just in case I want to play some road tunes, you know what I'm saying. Got my camera bag for my camera. And then here. Be right there, Mom! Wow. So the GoPro. Since we're going on the river, I figured, hey, GoPro would be nice. My brother's friend had a GoPro. He's letting me borrow it, so the homie Jack. Real one, let's go. This one, say I drop it in the water, just floats like that. It's kind of sick. Yeah, got a GoPro. And then I somehow packed all my clothes in a backpack. And we're staying there for 5 days. All right, everything is packed. We are on our way. It's gonna be tough.
He is smacks the ass man's arms on here.
What?
Oh no.
Dang, he's hot. What the f? Yo! My mom's letting me have Mountain Dew because it's vacation.
You want a bud?
We're here.
Okay, boys.
Wow.
Let's go. Let's go. All right. Here we are. Just had to grab a couple things. Ukulele. I got a lot of crap in my hand. Here. Huh?
Nope.
Here. So yeah, we are 5 hours later. Y'all didn't have to wait. But I did. So yeah, must be nice. Oh crap! I don't even know what room we're in. What room am I in? Yo, is this my floor or not? My door or not? You know what? Whatever. Oh, thank God. I thought this was a random family. Alright, here we are. Alright, this is our spot.
Hello.
That was a rough drive through the storms.
Alright, so here's my mom and dad's bed, Keelan's bed. Oh. And here's my bed. Yeah, there's like a couple yellow spots here and there, but we're chilling. That bump right there. The bump right there kind of looks comfortable. Oh my God. Oh, I could sleep here.
Stop the cap.
Wait, there's another car right here. I'll zoom in. The lens, just twist it. Oh, is this water boy?
Complimentary breakfast is served in the breakfast room from 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. daily. Check it out.
Are you recording or? I don't know.
Guys, go find the swimming pool.
Oh yeah, new transition. Stop.
Barbecue chicken.
Freak just happened.
Kiki, do you want that?
Yeah. Hello. My name is Kaleb. Hello. I like to look at myself in the mirror. Like so. 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 Alright, we're going to bed. Everything. My mom actually made my bed look kind of decent. Thanks, Mama. Well, yeah. I'm gonna go to bed. And hopefully, we can go to the Niobrara tomorrow because it says scattered thunderstorms, right? Right, Mom? It says scattered thunderstorms. So, we don't know. But yeah. See y'all the next day.
Oh, watch that pothole. Oh, it's getting steep. At least we gotta do something today. Yeah, we're not going to the river today because it's so crappy out. Look, the sun's literally covered up. Wow, it's a lot of wood. I'll let you go first. Yo, what the frick? We got it. Yeah, we don't have to stay on trail, do we? I want to go step in that. I'll do it down there. This is some crazy crap right here. Hold your phone. Yo. Alright, do you think there's cameras? Here, hold my phone. Whoa. Woo. Hey. Oh, it's literally like, I can't pick up my feet or else I'll fall. Yeah, dude, be careful. Watch this. Oh, give me my phone then. Get on the trail. Sorry. Oh, look at that. That's even better. Mama mia. Oh, there's people right there. 20 likes, I'll jump. Hey, yo, there's people coming. Alright, we're descending. Oh, dude, I really don't want to touch these rails, but I am. Coronavirus! Coronavirus! Yo. Woo! In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lions sleep. Jungle. Oh, it's muddy as freak. Wow. Surviving in the forest.
Hi.
Could use this for a stroll. Oh crap. Yeah, there's probably poison ivy. Oh crap, I'm not gonna be able to get on the trail soon, am I? Should probably get on that, who cares, let's go. Frick. Guys, this sucks. Oh my god. Yeah, if I get like 5 rashes later, I will know why. Oh my god. Oh, ah! Oh. Oh. Thank God for our headband. Well, this is what we're gonna be on. I wanna feel how strong it is. Holy crap. This is kinda strong. Yeah, River's definitely going this way.
Identified by its 3-part needs.
Oh. Well, that's good, you know? Well, frick, we're just walking and walking, my parents, so they just sent me to go explore, see how long this thing actually goes. So, thanks, guys. I'm hearing all types of noises. I don't know what creature they are. If I hear anything... If I hear anything... Yo, I'm just getting paranoid. Soft shell turtle. Logan Paul has these turtles. Flattened pancake shell, like, alright, yeah, just keep them going on and on. Dragonfly, who cares? Ah, I just stubbed my toe. Oh, frick me, that hurt. Woo! Alright, we're now leaving. I don't know, just a cool little nature walk. But I don't know what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. So, yeah, I'll pick this up tomorrow. Doing another thing. It's called Cowboy Trail. I have no idea what it is. All I hear is that there's a bridge. That's all I know. But look how far we have to walk. Yeah, we have to walk very far. So
Look at all these trees. The part that really psychs me out is you can rent bikes and there's just no fences at all. So you could easily just tumble your way on down there. And there's just little kids riding bikes. They could easily just like, Mommy! Aww! Did it. Alright, made it to the bridge. Hey, look, there's fox down there. It's a little doe. No. Holy frick, man. Are we walking across this whole bridge? Hey, I'm gonna turn back. I don't like this. Yeah, I'm turning back. I'm getting out of here. This is not for me, bro. I can't do this crap. Oh, tripod, don't do me dirty. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. I don't like heights. I don't like heights. Holy frick. We're really high up right now. This bridge is literally like decaying. Oh man. Oh. Woo. We're good. Whoa, what is that? What is that crap? Oh, that's what that does. What? Alright, well that's stupid. Well anyway, that's the end. Couple hours anyway. couple hours later. Tomorrow morning, we're finally going on the river. So we got that. As soon as we're done with the river, we're going to Ogallala. Yeah, I'm excited. Alright, well we're here, and holy cow. 30 likes now, jump off right now. Holy frick, man. This is a view. So I reviewed my clips. The GoPro audio isn't the best, but what can you expect? It's a GoPro. So yeah, I think I just had to turn up the volume a little bit and I'll be good. About to go on this big old river, 5-hour long trip. Yeah, here we go. I'll just vlog all the cool stuff. So yeah, let's see how. So we're taking a bus, right? Just like an undersized school bus. Because there's a whole lot of people. We're gonna be riding with a bunch of people. Oh yeah, there's a lot of people in here. And there's a dog. Oh. I like how there's literally just a dog on the bus. Gotta go. It's cold as frig. Alright, bet. Yeah! Finally, we made it. Well, I might just hop in and just get used to the water. Oh crap, that's deep! Whoa. Holy crap, it is cold. Alright. Ready? Okay. Here goes it. My family is leaving. I gotta go. So yeah, I guess I'll just pick up the cam when something interesting happens. So you lost your shoes already. Oh my gosh. Well, yeah, I'll continue this when something happens. So I'm just here with my Doritos. Alright, there's a big old waterfall. If you can kind of hear it, it sounds big as frig. But yeah, apparently it's just a big old waterfall. So, on the graph, you can see it a little bit. Ooh, we're ascending. Holy, we're in heaven. When you die, this is what it looks like. This is the stairway to heaven. Woo! Beautiful, man. Probably the only waterfall in Nebraska, man. How the ain't no way. Oh my lord.
I tried to scream, but my head was underwater. They called me like I'm not listening.
It's loud as frig, dude. The only waterfall like this in Nebraska. Guys, it's times like these when I'm thankful that I have my YouTube channel. Instead of people asking, hey, what'd you do this weekend? Oh, I went to the Niobrara. There's this huge waterfall. Instead of having to explain them, I could just show them this video. Crazy, man. In Nebraska. Alright, back to the river. Oh. Alright, well, that's about it. Leaving the waterfall, and yeah, we're just cruising now, so. Well, that was fun. That was like so how long is that in total, like officially?
4.5, 5 hours.
We were on the river?
We got on the river like a little before 12:30.
Like well, yeah, there's that. So now we have another 3 hours to Ogallala, and then we're gonna chill there. So.
Got to the 7th pirate flag.
Ready? Watch this. Ready? Watch this. Watch this. We have to sit through the car ride. They don't. Well. I don't know what the frick to say. I never know what the frick to say.
We made it.
We made it.
Ogallala.
And we're at Grandma's house, and yeah, we're tired as frick. So yeah, we're chilling. We had a very long day, but after this, we're going to Lake McConaughey. I'm orange as frick right now. Yeah, we're going to Lake McConaughey. When are we going to the lake? Do you know? Tomorrow. Bet. So yeah, we're getting up and at it again tomorrow. I'll maybe get some footage. I don't know. We're just gonna hang out. I looked at the GoPro footage. Oh my god. Grandma. Ready? It looks so good. I'm just so excited to edit and make this video. But yeah, pick this up tomorrow. See y'all tomorrow. Yes, sir. Here's my other cousin.
Yeah, hey, follow me on Instagram.
Yeah, I'm not even putting that in.
Kaleb here. No, but follow me on Instagram.
And I'm home. Well, yeah, we just drove home. And yeah, that was the trip. I have all my footage here. I'm ready to edit. Let me power up the "Ooh, I missed you, baby. I missed you, baby" monitor. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm excited to edit. But yeah, I guess that was really it. I had a lot of fun over this trip. We did the river. We saw that big old waterfall. That was probably the highlight of the trip. And we went to Lake Kahar. Got some good footage there. There we go. Back to the tripod. So yeah, that was that. So anyway, I hope y'all liked the video. And I haven't uploaded in like a week. So yeah, I need to get to work. We'll see what I make next. See y'all.